Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the USD CAD chart, what can be our strategy, what is the best trading opportunities, and many things. So let's get started. So first and foremost, if we look at the chart of USD CAD here, then one thing is very much clear to us, that this market is an uptrend. You can clearly see that this market is an uptrend. There should not be any doubt. And if we look at the present portion of the market here, this portion of the market here, then we can see that yes, though market went up, there was a market was extremely bullish here, but market also came down. But still, we cannot consider this as a completely trend reversal on the market, and overall market still seems to be bullish. So market is bullish, that is our final notion. And as we all know, the thumb rule, the basic rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see that USD CAD is in the uptrend, therefore following the trend of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. So the next important point that we need to focus is the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best buying opportunity or the best trading opportunity is always near the support. Whereas in a downtrend market, or if a market is falling, then the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. And this market, USD CAD, is an uptrend, as we all know. Therefore, the best trading opportunity or the best buying opportunity will always be near the support only. And as you can see that I have already drawn a red trend line here, and as you can clearly see, whenever market is going down, this trend line is acting as a support for the market, or whenever market went down, it got the required support from the trend line. Therefore, this trend line is a valid support and also the area of value. So we have the trend of the market and we have the area of value as well, which is the trend line. And as we can see right now, market is just standing above the trend line. So yes, market is in a very sweet spot right now to go for buy order. And there are a few other conditions also that I would love to discuss, so stay tuned. Okay, so apart from this trend line, which is a dynamic support for the market, and as you can see, market is taking support all the time, you can see that I have also got a line here, horizontal line here, 1.2610. If you're wondering what is this line, what is this level, then let me take you to the weekly chart. If you have watched my previous videos on USD CAD, then you can easily recognize these lines, because this is a level from the weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart of USD CAD here, and you can see that this is the level. Okay, and this was the same level. Okay, listen to me carefully now. Okay, 1.2610 was a resistance for the market. Previously, it was the resistance for the market. So whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above. But during the previous week, when market got extremely bullish, market broke the resistance. Here you can see that market broke the resistance. And in market, there is a theory called support is equal to resistance, and resistance is equal to support. Or whenever market breaks resistance, it converts itself into support. Okay, and here you can see that when market broke the support previous week, sorry, market broke the resistance previous week. Okay, market broke the resistance previous week. So there is a good possibility that 1.2610, which was the resistance for the market, will be acting as a support for the market right now. Therefore, there is a good possibility that Apart from the trend line, we have another support in the form of 1.2610 level, because previously this was the resistance, and now we can hope that this will be acting as a support for the market. And if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see the market is just standing above the weekly support as well. Therefore we have got double support right now. We have got double support, one in the form of trend line, second in the form of weekly support. Therefore undoubtedly market is in very sweet spot. And additional point is, or additional confirmation is, from the chart of DXY US dollar. So this is a DXY chart, and you can see that DXY is very bullish. And as we all know, DXY has a direct correlation with the USDCAD chart. Or in simple words, if dollar goes up, US dollar goes up, then USDCAD also goes up. And if you see US dollar going down, then obviously you will find USDCAD also going down in general terms. Okay, generally we see a relation like this. And right now you can see that US dollar is bullish, standing at support. Therefore there is a good possibility for US dollar DXY as well, that it will be going up from here. And if it goes up from here, then there is a good possibility that USDCAD will also be going up. So we have got many things that clearly indicates us that USDCAD is in a good position to buy right now. So yes, it is a definitely buy call. If you want to initiate a fresh position, you can obviously go for buy call right now. Just keep in mind, follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because my dear friends, we are just retail traders. We do not decide the direction of the market. The big players, the institutional traders, they decide the direction of the market. So anything may happen in the market. Therefore it is our duty to protect our capital. So always follow proper risk management, because our trades may go wrong, our analysis may go wrong also. So do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, okay, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 82% retail traders have already taken long position, and only 17% retail traders have taken short position. So retail traders are also hoping that market will be going up, but the only difference is that they have initiated their buy position at 1.2797. So they are almost down by minus 180 pips, and we are getting a buy position, or we will be initiating a buy position right now. And this is the main reason. Okay, see, they initiated their buy position around this level. When market was falling at this level, they took buy position here. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because they always stand against the trend of the market. So but right now market is in good position to buy. This was not the good position to buy. Anyways, let's see. We have a buy position right now. Let's hope for the best. Follow proper risk management, my dear friends. And one more thing, recently I have introduced a Pro Trader membership program, where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be bringing you the best trading opportunities on the market. If you want to know further, then please go through the information, and if you're interested, just click on the subscribe button. That's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.